So this is definitely not my car. This is a 2018 E-Class Mercedes, and I wouldn't trade it for my car. I hope you guys didn't believe from the thumbnail that I would trade it for my car. But this car is a friend of mine's car. It's a very nice car, very beautiful interior, and I mean it's very subtle, but it's a very nice, very elegant car. I drove this car to Ocheria some time ago, and the brake rotors needed, I think it skimmed before, so it wouldn't make sense to skim the brake rotors again. And car was vibrating so bad, it's so bad, like going down the hill, like it's just vibrating very bad. So I went ahead and I just ordered some brake rotors without him knowing and all that stuff. So yeah, this is like a New Year treat for my friend. So I'm gonna change the rotors on this car and bring it back to him, and I pick up back my Black Series. Before I start anything, let me show you guys what I got. So we got some better rotor for this car, guys. Some drill, slotted, better for cooling. I don't know if they can fit yet, but we're gonna figure it out. I won't record everything. I'll try to record as much as possible, but I won't record everything because recording everything, it will take forever because you have to set the camera at different angles and all that stuff. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see if I can get the rotor to kind of separate, well, the piston. It's only a single piston rotor. So I'm going single piston brake, which means it only has, you know, one piston that push the brake together. So I'm gonna see if I can separate it so the rotor can spin freely. I mean, it already started. I already started. There you go. Doesn't need any special tool for this. The dealer probably would tell you that it needs a special tool, but see, just a screwdriver. Well, this is four-wheel drive, no? The four-wheel drive, so it won't. But you can see that it's free. All right. See if I can pull this thing close on skirt. Power. Come on, strength of the beer. Yeah, man. Got one, freed one. See if I can free the next one. Wait. So the brake caliper is held on by two bolts. Two bolts. Not using bolt, you know, just bolt. On skirt. Come on, where's the strength of the beer? Strength of the beer now work, guys. Man. Strength of the foot. Yeah, man. Strength of the foot is there. Whew. All right. I would rather, man, I'd rather use this, but it can't fit. Well, it could have fit on the lower one, you know. Man, I should have tested that. So you see, this already free, guys. And then we just need some star tool to pull the rotor. So this right here takes a T30 star tool. German vehicles, most German vehicles use these. Make sure I have this on right rotation. Man. Well, easy like Sunday morning. Easy like Sunday morning. Alright, one out. Now guys, we're gonna take out the bolt. Alright, it's off. I got a block right here. Rest this right on the block. Yeah, man. The rotor is off. Would be nice to clean this out, but I don't have much cleaner left. I wonder if I have some upstairs. I'm gonna check if I have more. Spray some WD-40 on this as well. I'm just gonna clean it off with the wire brush, and that seems to be doing the trick. Seems to be doing the trick. Alright guys, that clean up nice. Now let's reinstall the new rotor. I didn't check if it's the right one, but it better be. Put back my Alright, that is that. See if we can get back the brake rotor. We need to. That should be perfectly fine. You hear the talk a while ago? Torque. These wheels are not the easiest to catch, but let me see. All right, let me see. Well, seems like I do a good job the first time. I mean, I'm used to working on Mercedes, so this is easy. This is too easy. One side down. That was about 20 minutes. So guys, this is the same thing, so I'm not gonna just repeat it on camera. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side, and then we get back. Alright guys, so all the brakes changed now, the two front brakes. So I'm gonna start it, pump the brakes so the pressure can come back up, and we'll go for a test drive to make sure that it has brakes. Pumping the brakes. So I'm going to drop off this car, pick up back my Black Series. And guys, I remember I told you guys that the next video was going to be tuning the E55 AMG, but we have a better plan, guys. You know, Roland and I came up with a better idea. So that video is coming very soon. So you guys just have to stay tuned. You won't be disappointed, I promise, guys. So just stay tuned for that. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go drop this car off and pick up back my Black Series. Push the brake out, man. Brake is working.